Hello everyone, today we are going to be explaining the working of a simple mechanical calculator. We can make a simple calculator like this using cardboard and some pins that you can find anywhere. So the working behind this calculator is once the units place exceeds 9, the accumulator will move once, and when the accumulator moves once, whole rotation, the tens place will move one digit. So we'll demonstrate this by taking a few examples here. Let us start by taking an example of 34 plus 76. So to input 34, we are going to first move 4 digits on the units place. So we go 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And we input 3 digits on the tens place. So we go 1, 2, and 3. Now to add 76, we input 6 digits on the units place. So move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Now we move 7 digits on the tens place. So we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So now to read the output, we have here 1, 1, 0. So as we know, 34 plus 76 is 110. We can also perform subtraction using the simple mechanical calculator. Let us see how we can subtract 82 from 20 using this calculator. So to input 82, let's input 2 digits in the units place first. So we move 1 and 2 and 8 digits in the tens place. So we move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And to subtract 20, all we got to do is to move it in the anti-clockwise direction. So to subtract 20, we don't need to subtract anything from the units place as it's 0 already. And we need to subtract 2 from the tens place. So let's move the tens digit wheel 2 times in the anti-clockwise direction. So 1 and then 2. So as we can see, the answer is 0, 6, 2, that is 62. So 82 minus 20 is 62.